Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using the dialer and the second one is through the settings. So let me show you both. Let's begin with opening the dialer and let's type *#06#. And as you can see, the IMEI info and serial number just pops out. Let's click on OK. And now let's check it through the settings. So let's open the list of apps, click on the settings, let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose About Phone. And here on the very first page we've got the both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you want to check the serial number, simply tap on Model and Hardware, and here we've got the serial number. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.